Alright guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to enter into Clever and then how to find my textbook. Okay, so once you have the Clever page on your screen, log in with Google, and that should take you, assuming you have your credentials from the school, should take you straight to the page. And many students have the Clever extension on your devices. If not, you can click on the Clever extension. So every time you open up Clever, you click on that button, go straight to your page. So here you have the teacher pages. You have Mr. Galloway, Ariana, Ms. Jameson, Ms. Obi, Ms. Torres, and Mr. Oliveira. So since we are in history class, I want to click on my page. And I have those links, but you're going to choose this one, NGL Sync, okay? And once you click there, it should take you to your textbook. If you are dual immersion, you're going to have the version in Spanish, and all the other students are going to have the regular history class. So you're going to launch course. Once you do that, here is where the magic happens. You see, currently we don't have any assignments, so eventually we're going to have some assignments right here. And here I have those tabs. So we're going to do the English version. Dual immersion students, by the way, we're just going to use the Spanish electronic edition. Same thing, one is in Spanish, one is in English, but same picture, same everything. So we click here, and then it has all the units. Alright, so we are on Unit 1, and within the units you have the chapters. So we are actually on Chapter 1. Within chapter you have the section. So I want this Section 1, and we're going to do 1.3. So you click there. And if you look at the textbook, it is precisely the same, okay? Here is something interesting. If you click here, it is going to do the reading for you. So it's going to start reading, and the voice is actually quite pleasant. You have the main idea. Here you have the different sections, or the different divisions of each section. So it has imperial expansion, a booming economy. You see, it kind of takes me all the way down, and it also has the reveal and assess all the way at the end. I can read this, but if I think that it is too difficult for me, I can click on this button, and you see the text changed. It is the same content. I think just the language is a little bit different, a little bit easier, okay? So that is something else you can do. And once you click here, you also have the option to read for you. There is also a video if you want to take a look at that. The map, you can zoom in and zoom out. It takes a while to load, but once you're here, you can zoom in, you can drag and look at the map and figure out what's going on. At the end we have the questions, and I guess for this first video that's all I'm going to show you right now. You can bookmark, by the way. You can type a note, and if you click on these arrows, it goes to the different sections. So if I click on this, it's going to go to 1.4. Notice that the text changed here, the highlights changed, but I'm going to go back. And we're going to take a look at this later in class. See you.